Good morning, class 10 students. This is second class of trigonometry. We have completed the formula. Okay, the three main formulas. Just revise once more. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now, today, let us solve some problems. First question is here. If 3 tan theta is equal to 4, then evaluate 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Okay, so let us draw an angle. Let us draw a triangle ABC. Okay, let this one is theta. This one is theta. Then according to this theta, this is H, this is P, this is B. Okay, now look here, tan theta. Let's solve this one. Here is 3 tan theta is equal to 4. 3 tan theta is equal to 4. Now then, tan theta equal to this 3 come here 4 by 3. It means tan theta means P by B. According to the formula, tan theta equal to P by B. And according to P is your 4 and B is your 3. Okay. So we have to calculate by using AC equal to AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. In this way, P square plus B square, after that we have to find the value of H. And after that, putting the value sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. Okay. But that one is the very long process. So let us this one do with a small process, means short process. Now look, what is here? Tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Then look here. Here is sin theta. If I am dividing here by cos theta, and we know that sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, we know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. We have here sin theta. Then what to do? If I am just dividing here sin cos theta with each term, then sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Now doing dividing. Now here is the question: 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Okay, now what I am just doing here, dividing cos theta by each term. Dividing cos theta by each term. It means, look here, 3 sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta by again 3 sin theta by cos theta minus 2 cos theta by cos theta. Okay, now look here, sin by cos equal to sin by cos equal to tan theta. It means what is here? 3 tan theta plus cos theta cancel. It means only 2 is here. By again sin theta by cos theta equal to sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. It means again 3 tan theta minus cos theta cancel each other. It means only 2. Now what we have here? Tan theta. And what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta equal to 4 upon 3. It means just putting your value 3 into 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 minus 2. Okay, now look here, 3 cancel, 3 cancel. What is left here? 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 2 by 4 minus 2. Okay, now it means 4 plus 2, 6 by 4 minus 2, 2. It means how much? 6 by 2 equal to 3 is your final answer. Understood? Once again, what we have to do here? Here from here, tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Just what to do here? Here is tan theta, that's why sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. If here is cot theta, if here is cot theta, then what we have to do? We have to divide each term by sin theta. So cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. It means cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Okay? Cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. So we have just divided and put in the value. Easily we can find the value of this one. Okay. Now move to the second one. The same question is here. Same type. Okay. Same type is here. What? Tan theta is given here. We have to prove here. Here, what is the question here? If tan theta equal to A by B. Tan theta equal to A by B. What is here? SHW. So that A sin theta minus B cos theta divided by A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to what to prove? A square minus B square by A square plus B square. Okay. The similar case, what we have to do here? Solution. What is given? Given that, what is given? Given that tan theta is equal to A by B. Tan theta equal to A by B. Then LHS. What is in the LHS? A sin theta minus B cos theta by A sin theta plus B cos theta. Okay. Now look here. What to do? Again divide cos theta with h term. Cos theta with h term. It means A sin theta by cos theta minus B cos theta by cos theta divided by A sin theta by cos theta plus B cos theta by cos theta. Now look, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. It means A tan theta minus cos theta cancel, B by sin by cos equal to again A tan theta plus cos theta cancel, B. Now what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta equal to A by B. Just putting here the value A into A by B minus B by A into A by B plus B. Okay. Now it means, look here, A into A square by B minus B upon A square by B plus B. Now taking LCM here, B, it means here is A square minus B square by taking LCM here, A square plus B square by B. B cancel. It means what is left here? A square minus B square by A square plus B square. Look here, A square minus B square by A square plus B square. This is equal to RHS. Okay. Now move to the third question. Look here, what is the question here? If angle B and angle Q are acute angles. Acute angles means two different triangles is there. Okay. Angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q. Here is B angle, here is angle Q. It means here is two different triangles. It means let this one is angle B, then here is ABC. This is 90 degree, and here is angle Q. It means here is angle Q, then PQR. Here is R 90. Okay. Now before going through this question, here in class 9 I have just taught you that the two triangles are similar. triangle ABC. Leave. Now look here. If I'm just writing here AC by PR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. It means if the corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same ratio, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. It means AC by PR, AB by PQ, BC by QR. It means triangle ACB is similar triangle PRQ. Okay, what I said in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. It means if two triangle ACB and triangle PQR are similar, then AC by PR. Look here, AC by PR, BC by QR, BC by QR, and AB by PQ, AB by PQ. Then two triangles are similar. And if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal. Then we can say that angle B equal to angle Q, angle A equal to angle P. Okay. Now, in this question, what is given? Sin B equal to sin Q. And what to prove? Angle B equal to angle Q. Now, if I just prove this one, the sides are in proportion, then the two triangles are similar. Then we can say that angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. Now let's start. Look here. What is given? Given that sin B is equal to sin B equal to sin Q. Now look here. Sin B means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now in this one, the perpendicular is your AC. It means sin B equal to, we can write AC by AB is equal to, similar case, sin Q equal to PR by PQ. Then PR by PQ. Now look here, what I am just doing here, this PR came here and AB gone there. It means AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Now look here, AC by PR, look, AC by PR, AB by PQ, AB by PQ. Now if I am just proved here, this equal to BC by QR, then the two triangles are similar. Okay. Now look, take this one is equal to Q, equation. Okay. Now in triangle ACB, by Pythagoras theorem, what is here? AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay. Now from here we have to calculate BC. Then BC square equal to AB square minus AC square. Then BC equal to root under AB square minus AC square. Okay. Now in triangle PRQ, same by Pythagoras theorem. What is? We have to calculate direct. QR square equal to PQ square minus PR square. It means QR equal to under root PQ square minus PR square. Okay. Now what is here? BC by QR. Just BC by QR doing. Here BC by QR is equal to, what is the value of BC? Under root AB square minus AC square by under root PQ square minus PR square. Now look here, what is the value of AB? AB equal to PQ into K. We can write AB equal to PQ into K. It means putting the value here AB under root PQ into K. Here is AB square, it means K square into PQ minus. From here AC equal to again K into PR. If I am just leaving this one, it means AC by PR equal to K. It means AC equal to K into PR. Here is AC square, then K square into P square. Again K square into PR square. By same thing PQ square minus PR square. Now look here. Here is K square. Here is K square. Sorry, here is PQ square. Now look, K square into C here. K square here, K square is here. Okay. So what is common? K square is common. K square is common. Now K square common and taking from root, only K is here. So only K is here. Then what is left? PQ square minus PR square by root under PQ square minus PR square. Now look, these are same, so cancel each other. Now it means BC by QR is equal to K. Equation 2. Now look here, AC by PR equal to AB by PQ equal to K, BC by QR equal to K. Then from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what is left here? AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now the sides are in proportion, so triangle ACB is similar triangle PRQ. And if these two triangles are similar, then angle B is equal to angle Q. Hence proved. Okay.